This Christmas, the fireside is blazing bright.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Makayla here, back with another Makayla Month video. I think I found my new favorite filming area. Look how cute. I love it. I have space. I think this is where I'm going to film my new try-on hauls because I love it so much. Now that you know where we are, today I will be doing a pedicure. So let's just hop right into the video. Today I'm going to be doing a pedicure. My toes need some love. My last pedicure I got was actually in school. I think you remember pedicuring week, and my toes have been done since then. So they look a little beat up. You guys know it's winter. I haven't been wearing sandals or anything, but today is the day to change that. I've been waiting to do my toes to film this video for you guys. So first I'm going to be exfoliating them, and I'm going to moisturize them, put on some nice socks to keep them warm and keep in the moisture. Then we're going to get to the polishing portion, filing, buffing, all that good stuff. I wanted to show you guys how I give myself a Christmas pedicure. So first I'm going to be scrubbing my feet with the Tree Hut Sugar Scrub. You guys know this is my absolute favorite stuff to use. I got the Moroccan Rose right here. So I'm just going to turn on the shower. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'm just going to stop talking. Everything else is pretty self-explanatory. Let's get into it.